players are one more prepare. And then we share players no from last 3 seasons. Now the be Kotoko players now you have tall list of injury. What did you pass? Did you want America team in here?
I wouldn't say that, but maybe I don't need the. I don't think so. I was saying I pushing blame, and you can say we been on your edge to me. What I will say is I am worrying, and coach has made it clear. I was saying before ethnicity. Now I said the cause of all these things. If you want to be blame you be and there say about you can't say anything. But I'm not happy because say your customer boy say you should be able to go with your squad because a whole difficult terrain. And this season we have decided say what you say. So I have been there, but for now the one will keep it.
For now, number 15 games. League in defeated.
15 games?
Yes, in the league like yes. Number 15 games on Ghana Premier League. Say Ghana Premier League. 15 games not unbeaten. Who say record as motivation that order?
Me who maybe on 15
say 15 last season now.
Okay. Oh, come about yes. It's good. Sir, if we are yet to lose a game here at the Baba Sports Stadium, which is very, very encouraging. I remember I said those days, team be ever Baba no slow. Because it is always difficult to say we lose the game. And I think sir 15 matches. Double draw 2. They are carrying a win a Asante Kotoko. Gradually we are making our home ground fortress and unfavorable grounds for visiting teams. I think that is good. But and also we have to work hard because teams are they come here well prepared and they are always motivated because security okay. Unlike other venues, you can't go to certain venues. Referee require be big flag raise a flag at a certain venue. I mean, they're shouting on you. Tell for flag to her. It is about how open for all. So we have to work hard to maintain the unbeaten records here at the Baba Sports Stadium.
Ni supporters no and no man, we send them midweek, but Omama. And I feel so one thing I know, say after seeing Kwame Poku film, we saw them say Omu boo Kwame Poku. Then our found
very unfortunate. I know the supporters now there. We don't have to do that. Share Kwame Poku, you could ball against Brekum Chelsea and your man a prior. Since then, on to them Bobium MIA. I mean, coming from injury, there you should expect these things from the player. At this time, we are supposed to, encourage him rather to say yes, we have the trust in him. Kwame Poku Yemin say, on any day or a fitter, he does everything for Puna. Do you expect him, to come the next time and come and score for you to be happy?
Not confident.
And yet, we don't have to be doing this. We started doing this to some of our players, especially in team menu. Because of these things. And in team menu stayed. And then it's one of our best players in the ongoing season now. So, quite far so I was sad. But all the same,
finally, Major Mamibisa, do you think say how if outstanding games and you say Ama Kotoko team na bra anytime be able to Kotoko game biano na as one say brebi and as a fatigue be place.
It is also a factor. It can be. But like I said, Saka your squad, now any injury now affect here. I can know how to rotate the team. I can be a benyabi. But yes, truth be told, Oma Brepa fatigue are setting in. But over the fixtures number, the dates number, you can't say anything because, for instance, your body, Ochina want to win training, over training Friday, training your Saturday, so we set it off to Summer Boy. Open here, we back to Kumasi. I was saying Sunday. Other Monday, other Tuesday, Wednesday, you can't come back to Kumasi. You have to sleep again. So yeah, Saturday, for instance, you know, we are going to have about 6 nights outside Kumasi in a hotel. I said about back to Kumasi, in the cost and everything. But football, I was saying, you are certain that your boss said they are ready visitors in Abano.
Thank you for your time.
Inside the 3 points and near here, and Mr. Coach, who the two senior bedroom with Manyamia Duma and next match, will be able rectified.
Okay, dog, I'm giving you not supporters. You will go all those things in dinner about what's the performance of the team. Very, very bad. Then I can't.
One of the worst this season. When you say, you bought the baby, but another idea, not any idea near Pekra. A Taibasa, a football. They the players couldn't get their day to day. So I know very well that the team, they are going back. The coaches are there to help them to rectify. Nema Ankoye. Yabre before Yabre pa yenimsenke Banyano easy. First half no, we had the opportunity of even putting the game aside, but Ankoye until the technical team to go and do what they have to do to put the team back. The performance no. Well, I can't say much. When you say penalty, there was a penalty, but it's up to him to decide whatever he wants to do. I can't show motion to when the minimum, but the rest there, I can't say much about the referee performance. Football, it's baby. And yet, you say young to me, but supporters who say chances to be in your utilize your uncle in a bio move. I didn't see a football. The same supporters will be praising him. Next time, Bob, what's your goal? Into a taste of a bomb to move and change.
Asante Kotoko, circuit chairman, our Asante Memoir, and a hard-fought win against Young Apostles. Chairman, Young Apostles, stubborn power, and then you some to much more coming on my team. But
they place the technical bench, you know, as an open car in the army for us. Supporters a team creating by the BBS. So don't think a very hard fought win. Young Apostles back league me and show me that. Last year home, number 1-1. And now a corner football goalless draw. We are very much happy. But the problem with the FA, Minister say a crown Super Bowl Africa, I don't know. Because the Roman says Asante games. Ama a prepare any bread about team. A ball has a 4 game. When we say Ghana has a biggest game on the calendar has to focus on Asante Kotoko. The boy that echo vision for boy. We vision when I say Sunday night dana. You ne suggestion. I mean, the Roman mentioned in fact, and more boys no. A man boy star papa. When they place, about let no place we are April. We are April we don't do. But master man boys my other papa. My mama energy. My other.
At the point in time, we send us a boys, you know, a brab bomb up, sending our can never papa. But only supporters now. If you maybe you also come Poku to know all book come Poku.
The people can't go point. A very bad attitude, and you. A very bad attitude, and yet you don't come to stadium and boo on your own player. I mean, otherwise they come to why they.
To the sense of money for coin.
Mr. Obini support and for coin. Another support and for coin. I'm police for call. But now it's uncalled for. Yeah, it's also uncalled for. And yes, or better. Kind of crap and say, oh, your boy different from Super Bowl. Different 2 different things. We are 3 o'clock coming to
Ronaldo, Cristiano, Madrid, or you be a mom bedroom, a tribuno. Sina be a whip down more than Boom. Said, Port and Moon, I shall come Poku cry. When you be Matino.
No, there are so many ways at the Bishop player and you group at the Bishop player. And you're fine. I mean, I bet you who be a uncle about Mama standing ovation bomb. Man, baby. What I said, don't forget, say, Poku, the limit of Bemu, we're I mean, long time when you know the park Poku try you. For so being to be played there. Best had them shot them and your crowd. And then that was anything with my friend, with me, baby, that's a plan. I heard the same fashion plan and your crowd, a very bad attitude. I was saying, yes, I don't your crowd.
Going forward, man, again, I taught Timothy, and then nothing, million who you made to find. Well, I'll come a boy against a drama, and then that's the incident who you made because I see you, pa.
I didn't catch it or say. The way I hear about outstanding games and why Abo has a folk we had and can come vision on Wednesday. We have a boy on Sunday. And then when you about Kwame now then.
Get fatigue now.
Fatigue. Fatigue. I'm saying about 11 players. One more injury list. About 11 players. And I hear Joe of all players. All grain. That was your first man. What I say. I'm Poku. I'm for room. Oh, baby, no. Till the say I just have on the home and the problem say that's why ready 20-man squad.
Wow.
And then ready 20-man squad. I did have papa. So over complaining sometimes grain. That was your first man. What I say. I'm Poku. I'm for room. Oh, baby, no. Till the say I just have on the home and the problem say that's why ready 20-man squad.
Wow.
And then ready 20-man squad. I did have papa. So over complaining sometimes Musa chance and the function. And yes, it is a brother.
Come on, see how can I look at the bless me. League is in Yaibo, you say weekend, most of game. Mobile and they say, I never had you.
Wednesday, a very outstanding games now. Everybody I say, we know the baby. It's a better matter about outstanding game now. Can I me a short here call some at the Sunday, Emma. I thought I'm playing in a senior and then was a goal starting the play show. I said, Asante Nasa. So the players can now rest. They are born on Sunday. In fact, I agree. You're born by some more injury listeners. I think say the bounce back. Yeah.
Okay, Chairman, I have more customers. Then I support as expecting female.
The back of the team. Yeah, bus arrangement. Our food could be 250 Ghana cedis in and out. That I go bus near call. O friend me vice chairman 0244 549198. O friend now. Or make it payment and Sunday night. Sunday no, I better care for Baba sponsor the 6 p.m. Yeah, 2 a.m. Yeah, the back of support Emma Monquanco. Yeah, call for a win. Yeah, call there for a win. Yeah, call for a win. Oh, why not? And I say your boss, and then I friend Kotoko, you bought 9 games. The one, and then I friend you bought 9 games. It's a good one. The league is still very young. Imagine league. Yes.
They have another man of the match in the game.
The man of the match. Mean to me back because Lord Amwa, I think was very outstanding. Then one say, look at that's the man for Lord Amwa. Woman in a different place.
Who were first batch?
Hey, Ghana. Yeah, first batch, first second batch, third batch. Justify. Justify. Wow.
I'm a question when you're my
Busami. Question when Busami. The man of the match. Samba wasn't bad. Friends say Lord Amwa was a man. Lord Amwa is man of the match. I think St. Kenny Mwa.
Okay, Lord, I say me. If you say find Black Stars, now work up Unkobi.
Lord Amwa say one Black Star. We have no business being there. Ghana has no business being at the World Cup.
It's about to be cancelled.
I between me come as I was meeting class. Doesn't mean can they open? Make them me. Say Lord Amwa Ghana has no business
at the World Cup.
They are fun to pray and cancel themselves. Ghana does a 2 billion waiting hot Lord Amwa. I'm telling you. Oh, you better say go. Yeah, then I go share now. You come Morocco. Me agent go catch him say the outstanding players are no Ghana. Black Star. Sorry, Kotoko team obo Lord Amwa first. Obo Samba no obo Abu.
The Ghana has no business
being at the Red Cup if Oman follow them or Black Star.
Penalty for Kotoko.
Tariq Lamte, Ali Diseidu. What is Lord Amwa better than them?
Better, but far better. One more team.
Tariq Lamte, Brighton, Ali Diseidu, Mr. Renil.
Oh, Tariq Techano. I never been to be Lord Amwa. That be a some can
Tariq Lamte.
Someone can Tariq Lamte to spend Lord Amwa. They say to be Lord Amwa. One put on almost a Lord Amwa to do so. As well as Lord Amwa better than all of them.
Finally, Kotoko penalty.
Clear penalty. Now, boy, I wrestling.
Inside the area 3 points and near here. And you say, coach, who the two senior bedroom with Manyami Aduma and next match will be able rectified.
Okay, dog, I'm a game in here, not supporters. You would go all those things couldn't get about what's the performance of the team. Very, very bad. Then I can't.
One of the worst this season. When you say, you bought baby, but another idea, not any idea near Pekra, a Taibasa, a football. They the players couldn't get their day today, so I know very well. So the team, they are going back. The coaches are there to help them to rectify. Nema Onkoye, yabre pa yenimsenke benyano easy. First half no, we had the opportunity of even putting the game aside, but Onkoye until the technical team to go and do what they have to do to put the team back. The performance no.
Well.
I can't say much. When you say penalty, there was a penalty, but it's up to him to decide whatever he wants to do. I can't say much in the 20 minutes, but the rest there, I can't say much about the referee performance. Football, it's baby. And yet, you say Yanisa, but supporters who say chances be on ya, I was going to utilize your uncle in a biomuku. I didn't see a football. The same supporters will be praising him. Next time, what's your goal? Into a Chelsea or Bow, Mutum Fanchain.
Doctor, look for some boy against Marcus. Strong side, we play the break. Look for win.
Come up, Mbeba. It's in players who are parking us, we can do wonders. And I'm quite more, but doesn't mean say more. And if you go there and do the better we can. Here, Kotoko, it's in sweating. The other season, it's sweating. We have the best players, and when they have their day, no team can stand us. In team Sukra.
And if you say now, when you are Jama, Aziz Dari Haruna, who will be sir?
Oh, yes, so by no or the Jabba game, look at Krasani here. So play be about when your chance now back Kotoko. Now you do 2 more. Just do your best and shine. That's all we need from the players.
Doctor, who will be more players now for winning because injuries are setting in more? But who will be any more players?
Omo Brett was to play Wednesday, Sunday, and here easy. 1 day rest and the rest will be playing. You know, I show Munko and said, "Diaka Chino a dorsal into Omoniro Yetaomochi." It's not easy to play Wednesday, Sunday. Injuries room. But Ekotokono Bono and your pet so say Basa, GF Financial is our mom. You should go and do their best. We the supporters, we are behind them. Don't be a boy be an Omunyamaye at how much.
Fixtures in the bus, and I'm okay with it.
There's nothing that we can say nearby because also who said Kotoko Air Africa. You see, everybody say we are about Sunday, about Wednesday. This was Sunday. There's our one outstanding match about a FA Cup. That's our one be, which means for the next 2-3 weeks in there, a Brenkwan.
Last message is for supporters.
We shouldn't give up. We are Kotoko. Fabulous the best, fabulous the greatest, fabulous.
Players and then
to the players, the technical team. Go back home, do the homework. We are behind you. We need to here. My than team straight and what you now some family review. But that must
Near what you find a crowd was such a boy. You say, when you say, you have a talk from near boy and some mamma. Boy, you say, Kafra, no man, boy and some mamma. Now, when you answer, said your question once. What means every boy? Many are break. I do my son in some who no in the party at today. Bob by a some who and then no more but did you at young come in any tree and walk on your own. You see a new coat. What I have got, you said, yeah, but you're 0.0000.
Last season, no one go ya better for and the same goes to Mama.
Yes, you're ruling more. What's your ruling more? That means I say, I saw almost very moment in some flat. Young tram woman in some fun. And then he has a protocol. One more passes for Baba. Yes, so one I'm doing some new deal today. Now, Poku go away. So born in for duty. Now, want to mark us any young wouldn't baby a care by a day. Now, that's all. I need that's one baby.